guys, I just did Melissa's makeup as you saw in the video, and we're gonna go get ramen. Here's Melissa.
Sydnee just killed my face. Let's get some light on this because look what she did. There's like a really cool like stripe of glitter happening with some anime cheeks, some avant-garde circles, killer lashes. Who did the lashes? Who were the lashes by? Wish lashes, discount queen over here, bargain, freaking legend.
Use discount code BUTTGEEK. Just kidding, I wish. I wish Wish would sponsor me.
Me too.
I buy so much shit.
I know, same. We love Wish. She loves makeup. I love music. Go follow her at BUTTGEEK. Go follow me at Melissa Brooks LA or the Aquadolls. Love you guys, and we're gonna mukbang our ramen.
So we came into Target because it has bomb ass lighting, of course.
It looks so good in here.
And we've been just taking photos of everything, of ourselves in front of everything.
Yes.
Like, look at this. Yeah, so we just hula hooped and now we're just looking at stuff, but we're fucking hungry, so
let's get ramen. I'm hungry.
It's time for that mukbang. Mukbang? Okay, so we just got our ramen.
This looks so good. I'm so hungry.
And I'm gonna add my spicy miso. So I got vegetable ramen and it's like not spicy at all. Oh my god. Just broke my chopsticks in half. So I'm gonna add my spicy miso guy stuff. Because yeah. Wait, how do I turn the camera? You can't. Once you start filming. So here it is. Oh yeah. And I got those kale noodles. You need some ASMR in this. I need more. I need it to be so spicy.
That. This.
Yeah, that's fine.
Not too much because it'll like kill me. There we go.
Look at how red and hot and spicy that is. So this is gonna be our mukbang video. I don't know how these work, but
we just eat and stare at the camera, I guess.
I'll just edit it. I'll just like put it in fast motion. Wait, that defeats the purpose of a mukbang. ASMR mukbang.
Listen in headphones.
It's very warm and I just bit my tongue.
This is so spicy. Well, yours is like dark red.
Yeah, no, beige. Okay, so I finished my ramen. And this bitch.
I'm still going to eat really slow. Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, you guys? We just got done. There's lights on. We just got done eating ramen. We just fixed our lip gloss because it was everywhere.
Now we have
happy. Huge food babies.
Yes.
We're ready for a nap. But
nappy poo time.
Say hi, Mickey.
Say what's up to Mickey.
Friend.
Say something else.
Say something to our YouTube channel.
Oh, I'm nervous now.
We're gonna make another video where we hang out with Mickey. We're gonna have a reunion video. We just had a reunion at Melissa's birthday party.
Wait, Sid, what should we do? Should we like remarry each other again?
Comment below what you think we should do for the next video of me, Mickey, and Sid. We want to hear your suggestions.
Do you feel like we should be like in the middle of LA again, like proposing to each other?
Oh my god, that
Like
was
the first
very
time
drunk.
we hung out.
Yeah. That was
still
at a High
have that
Curbs Aquadolls show. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully I don't get lazy.